So guys, let's look at this chart, right? This is a daily, chart, right? So uh let's say this is a price movement. uh from here, people, they saw this. Let's give them the benefit of the doubt. The price went here, the price came back and touched, so it gave them this trend. So the price reversed up because people will be looking at this, and in their mind they'll be like, wow, it just touched. Imagine taking a trade because the price just touched the line that you think it's appropriate to be there. So that is the thing. People, they will see this, they will take the market long. Actually, yeah, it does pay, right? It does pay. The market goes long until they reach the third. This is a daily chart, remember. So here the price actually uh, breaks above this, I don't even know what to call this, above this resistance, right? Because I don't use this. So I want to show you guys that you can actually use this, but in a more smarter way, right? The price breaks up. When the price breaks up, it breaks up, and here it closes. So this first close, most people, they were looking to take the market down, and it went up to hit their stop losses, because obvious this is a daily time frame. So most people, they don't have funds. Most of these typical retail traders, they don't have funds that they could put their stop loss under this candle, right? So the market, again, the price, I mean, it goes up. So most people, many people now want to take the price down. It comes back, so people are thinking now the price is going, they put their stop loss there. Price actually goes up to hit their stop loss. Let me try to clean this, because I know there is one guy there who be like, who will be like, what is going on here? I only see markups. I don't see what's happening, right? So okay, let's count like them. Let's say on a that price actually shows that it wanna go down. Person sees that, wow, it touched my line here, it broke and closed. It's a big induction to take the price up. People take the price up, the price actually falls. People see these two bars, they chase price, because in a retail mind, people think price will fall straight. It retrace, hit their stop loss there with that candle, right? So it's that what happened, guys. Is that what happened? Most is what is happening, guys, every day. People just trade this trend line system. They call it a system, right? Without even knowing what they are doing, guys. Knowledge is key, right? Some, they say knowledge is power. Yes, knowledge is power. You know what you are doing if you are knowledgeable. You don't just take trades because trades have touch your lines.